Alright, welcome to the storm update 4 a.m. And the winds are picking up. We wind gusts at 45 miles an hour at Jones Beach. And looking over here, we've got, sorry, 40 mile an hour wind gust over here somewhere. I don't see it, but it was there a minute ago. If we look at where it's Sandy Hook, 38 mile an hour wind gusts. You know what the temperatures too? It's in the mid 50s, which is ridiculously warm at this hour. Let's see, 49 mile an hour wind gust over at Brookhaven. 36 mile, nothing too remarkable here. I mean, we'll get the peak wind reports from the Weather Service, obviously. Let's see, New Jersey, nothing too terrible really on here. Let's see this buoy, 47. I mean, wind gusts, not terrible. Not terrible. So let's go to they're strong, but not. So far, I don't see anything like over 50 yet. So this is the radar here. Let's actually refresh this because that's an old radar. So let's go ahead and look at the newer radar. And that high wind warning remains in effect. And this is the front we're going to have to watch for. This line here that is over Pennsylvania. This is the actual cold front that we have to be concerned with. That could be bringing us some severe thunderstorms. So let's go to the power outage situation. First, let's just make sure that the Long Island Railroad hasn't had any issues. Don't see any issues on the Long Island Railroad other than planned work. Let's go to the power outage issues because we do have 7,162 people, customers without power. Not many in Nassau County. I don't see many at all. Outage in Long Beach, it's 150. Let's see if we can find some larger outages. Don't see any in. There's a smaller one in Levittown. Not seeing too many outages in Nassau County. We start going up to Oyster Bay. Yep. This is typically an area that has problems. I got a couple of large outages here. Although, again, nothing too low. Huntington. There's one thing about the North Shore. Huntington Bay. Yeah, you got a lot of outages on the North Shore. North Shore always has problems. If there's any place worse in the middle of the island when it comes to power reliability, it is the North Shore. Too many over here, but then we've got, here we go again, some scattered outages here in Smithtown, East Northport, Kings Park. There's an outage in Hauppauge. And yeah, we got a really large one here in, looks like Rocky Point. So most of Rocky Point looks like they're out of power. Yeah, that's the biggie right there. That one is 4,029 customers right there. When you see yellow, that is the larger outages have here. As far as, let's go work our way further out east. Don't see too much going on out east. So now let's look at JCP&L, which is the other coastal area that's getting impacted by this. It's the Jersey Shore, and a few outages here. We got Island Heights. They don't really give you an exact number. Nothing really too big at the Jersey Shore. It seems more of their impacts are actually inland, oddly enough, which is kind of surprising. But I guess these are some mountainous areas. I guess maybe they're having some issues there. See lots in the North Jersey area. Nothing so far into our area. We can also check power outage, U.S., and I can see some yellow shades over New York. So let's see. We've got New York here. Again, Suffolk County, 5,315. Nassau doesn't have that many, but Suffolk is getting impacted more by the winds, I guess. I could hear them in here. The winds are definitely picking up. Even in here, I can hear it. You know, if I can hear the wind in here, that the winds are definitely picking up. Let's look at New Jersey, 17,000 in the state. Ocean County says 6,312. Hunterdon County also hit hard in New Jersey. So let's see if we can get some more wind information here. Because I think these winds are stronger than this thing is indicating. All right, well, we got a gust up to 50 at Stony Brook. 49 at Shirley. So the winds are getting close to that 50-mile-an-hour wind gust here. But so far, nothing that. Oh, 50-mile-an-hour wind gust being reported at Island Heights. So we're starting to see some of those 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And we're in the thick of it now. Between now and when this front moves through the next couple hours, it's going to be the worst with the winds, especially when we have that front come through. That's when we're going to see the winds really pick up quite a bit. Let's just look at some of these marine observations here. 47. Let's see if we can get a wave height. 8.5 feet. All right, that's not terrible. Wave height here at this buoy is 9.2 feet, so the waves are definitely up. Let's check this one out. That's not actually over the ocean. That's misplaced. Shinnecock Hills, 10.8 feet. So we're starting to see it. We're starting to definitely see some rough seas out there. So we can get some more observations. And it doesn't seem to want to load now. All right, well, this site is always a problem when it comes to loading observations. It's always an issue. This site. So use one to ground, maybe, huh? It's just stuck. It's not. The circle's just spinning and spinning and spinning. Nothing is happening. No, not loading at all. Well, it's just wasting everybody's time. So I think we'll wrap it up here. Can't seem to get the observations on here. Oh, here we go. So here we go. Not seeing anything too, like I said, anything too remarkable over Long Island with the winds. You can see, though, the cities in the 60s, 63 at LaGuardia. So we got the 60s at this hour, which is absolutely insane. Let's just put the dew points on here just to show you. Again, those dew points in the 50s. Let's go to the latest observations. We'll just get some 63 at Mount Holly, by the way, which is, again, absolutely ridiculous for this hour at Miller Air Park. Not reporting. What else is new with them? But 60 at Belmar Farmingdale. Look at that. 60 with the dew point is 60. This is really tropical air. This is what I'm talking about. And, we're starting to see that over Long Island, too, now. 53. Southwest wind at 26, gusting to 45 at Farmingdale. There you go, dew point 51. They've got the fog, 5-mile visibility. So, this is what we're dealing with. And we're going to continue to deal with this and these power outage numbers. I think we will definitely break 10,000 at some point. So that's going to wrap it up for now. And again, thank you for watching.